Introducing the DigiKut Logic Master Series, with 3 different build options available by Elite Business Machines.
The machine is capable of cutting a stack over 3 inches thick.
Integrated with ISC Safe Technology photocell wall protection.
Gives a bright red cut line that goes across where the blade comes down. You can use the micro adjustment knob to get to the exact location. The touchscreen comes with 4 different program saving modes. The first mode is the manual mode. In your cut location, once it gets to the location, hit your cut button to make your cut. If you turn push out on, it'll push the stock out and return back to the cut location you've entered. Next is the program savings mode. You can enter up to 99 different cuts that are saved to 99 different group program channels. Starting with the first cut, it moves to each cut automatically. After the last cut is made, it returns back to the first cut all over again. Next is the uniform or step and repeat mode. Enter a number that you want it to cut and how many times you want it to cut, and it will automatically calculate and step down. Next is the convenience mode or the book mode. It allows you to enter cutting the top of the book, the face of the book, and the bottom of the book, and save it in different book program modes. Galitz reviews the 2 main patent designs that separates the Logic Master Series from any other cutters in its class. Number 1 is our patented frame design. When you take the covers off the competitors' machines, they all use the same frame design and the same frame thickness. Their frame thickness only allows a clamping motor of a certain strength. Strong clamping motors crack and break the competitor frame, limiting the clamping motor size.
Smaller clamping motors lead to paper trawl or paper being pulled over as the blade cuts through it, getting worse as the blade gets stalled, leaving a slanted cut on the stack.
Our frame design allows us to add a large variety of clamping motors. This allows even a stronger paper hold while cutting, which helps to eliminate the paper draw.
Now we look at the greatest achievement in design change, which is our overhead backplate drive system.
This design puts the EBM Logic Master light years ahead of any competitor for service simplicity and low-cost maintenance.
The competitive models maintain the 60-year-old under-the-bed drive system with all of its faults.
The competitive design has the back distance drive plate driven from below the cutter bed. The drive plate is mounted to a block coming up from the center of the cutter bed. With this being a weak pivot point, it requires constant adjustment to keep the back plate completely parallel with the blade at the same cut length from left to right. This also limits the ability of the owner to make adjustments for distance calibration or lubrication because of having to pull the panels to accomplish this. The Logic Master design of building the frame and drive above the cutter bed allows easy access to the owner for any distance calibration, adjustments, or lubrication.
Once the backplate is set parallel to the blade, it would require a hammer to bend things and knock it out of square. A 10-inch cut on the right gives a 10-inch cut on the left.
The greatest benefit to the above-the-cutter bed design is the ability to have a wide stabilization attachment plate to ensure that the back plate is secure without being knocked down over time. The EBM Logic Master 19.3 system design models are above and beyond the best electric paper cutter variety available on the market today.